Hi guys, in this video I'm going to review the new updates in Instagram algorithm in 2024. There is a major shift with everything that we've seen through 2021 and 2022. So now in 2024, we're seeing that there is a major change in the way in which Instagram picks the videos or pictures or any type of content to get more attention. In other words, getting viral. Let's launch the Instagram app and let me show you some main difference. So what we can see over here is that the more generic structure of the post, if we click more and see how it's structured, we're seeing less and less description in each of the posts that are getting a lot of attention. If you can look at over here, we're having, first of all, we're having generic hashtags. We're having skiing, we're having carving, we have, I don't know what the omit this is, ski and sunrise, okay? And please check the number of the hashtags. We're having only 5 hashtags. On average, last year and through 2022 as well, people have been using between 12 to 14 different hashtags. If you scroll down, just look at the structure of the actual sponsored content as well. If you click over here, well, guess what? This particular piece of content received 3.1 million people like it. So 3.1 million people like this particular piece of content. Of course, it was sponsored, but how often do you see a sponsored piece of content that has 3 million likes? Let's scroll through the description and guess what? There is no a single hashtag over here. No single hashtag. There is only one sentence, which is, their mission or something about what the company is aiming for. Then you have typical sales pitch. Okay, and if you fail to understand what is the brand about, well, I do as well. Obviously they're selling some bracelets, okay, but what we're seeing over here, they don't have a single hashtag. No hashtag of the brand, no hashtag of accessories, no hashtag of bracelets, right? Is this something telling you there is something very special about the algorithm? And if we scroll down, let's take a look how people are actually structuring. So as you can see, people are, you see this, only one hashtag. You have one emoji, which is the rocket, and you have another one, which is the battery, right? So essentially over here, you will see that this is most likely another sponsored, because you see a lot of branding. And if you click all over here, well, guess what? This is a brand. I don't know what this brand is, but obviously this is a branded content as well. Look at this sponsored video. Okay, this video has over 200 different comments. So what this video is telling you, again, you have simply 2 sentences, no hashtags at all. So guys, next time when you try to create either sponsored content or brand deal, or you simply publishing on your own page, I want you to focus on these 3 topics. So if you decide to use hashtags, you want to go large, meaning you want to go generic, you want to go global. If you're publishing video about, let's say, making an omelette, right, you're going to use the hashtag cooking. You're not going to use hashtag fried eggs or omelette or cheese omelette. You're not going to niche down, you want to niche up. This is what obviously has been working at the current pace for Instagram. Second thing, if you don't want to use hashtags like many other successful posts I just showed you, you want to make sure that you have 1 to 3 sentences that are very, very explanatory. So you have maybe 2 will be more generic and 1 will be very, very explanatory. So this will simply help you to identify what type of audience is actually likely to see your video. Might not be the omelette lovers, but might be the lovers of watching cooking videos. Just think about how mind-blowing this could be if you potentially have the major success with just people watching cooking videos, but you have been targeting only omelette videos. Like, you've been targeting only people who like the dishes that you cook in the particular video. For example, you make a salad, you target people who looking for salad recipe, but meanwhile your only gain for success and advantage and leverage have to be to target all the people in the cooking industry. Just think about how important this is, how major shift this is. Instead of targeting the 50 people looking for a recipe for salad, you're targeting anyone who is looking to see and watch and engage with cooking content. This is what I'm trying to explain to you guys. It's a major shift in Instagram algorithm for 2024. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.